Party for one. If you don't care about me, I just dance myself back on my beat. Back on my beat. Oh shit! Hey buddies, I didn't see you there. Welcome back. We're hanging out today in the Dammit Damian Country Kitchen, some shit or another. I've been up since 7 o'clock. Went to bed about 5 o'clock. I've had almost a whole pot of coffee. There's all kinds of shit I should be doing today. I should be doing laundry. I should be sweeping. I should be mopping. I should be reading. I should be educating myself. I should be finishing up my online courses. Fuck that shit. We're gonna make a quiche. Boom. All right, buddies. So the main ingredient in any quiche is gonna be eggs. We're gonna use 4 of these bad boys. We got some Monterey Jack cheese. We got some motherfucking bacon. We're gonna use some frozen chopped broccoli. The spinach is going a little wilty, so we're gonna throw some spinach up in there. I love me some paprika. Tony Sashers. Parmesan cheese. We got some garlic. We got jalapenos. And because this is like a breakfast trash can pie of sorts we're gonna make, I want to throw some starch in there. I want some like carbs. I want to really like fat this vessel up that could barely fit into the shirt. So I don't have any potatoes right now, so we're gonna use the next best thing. Tater bites, tater tots. We're gonna throw some motherfucking tater tots into this quiche. All right, this is going to be our vessel for our quiche today. Before we really get anything too far started, first off, we're going to cook these tater tots. We're going to throw them in the oven at 350 for about 8 to 10 minutes. Get the broccoli out on the counter, warm it up so it's not nice and frozen when it goes into the quiche. Why broccoli? Why frozen broccoli? Well, it's nice, cheap. It's very low maintenance. Like, I don't have to do much. It's already chopped up, so I'm just going to literally defrost it. Throw it in with the quiche. We'll get to that later. I'm going to throw this bacon I've been chopping down. Give that nice brown and crisp. Listen to that sizzle. God damn, I love broccoli. All right, so we already grilled up the bacon. Look at that. Nice, small little pieces of bacon. Really, really super fatty bacon today. So, of course, it shrunk down. Also, I wasn't paying any attention because I'm over here making, YouTube videos. But yeah, we're going to saute this just a little bit, just a little golden brown, so it's not raw, it's not frozen anymore when we throw it into this quiche. We got the bacon over here. We got all our veggies chopped up. We're going to shred some cheese now real quick while we're waiting on this to warm up. Let's go ahead and throw our vegetables, our other veggies in here with it. All right, guys. Get the broccoli nice, sauteed. It's no longer frozen. We're going to add that to the plate we got our bacon on. Boom. Because all this is going to get mixed together into this bowl in just a few moments. We're still waiting on those tater tots. We want those tater tots in the bottom. Nice, crisp, golden brown. We're going to mix this all up together. It's going to be a nice, delicious little mess, buddies. Stay tuned. Wait on these tater tots. In the meantime, we're going to throw the eggs and other goodies in this mess. Let's watch. All right, y'all. We're stirring up the eggs, the Tonys, the Parmesan cheese, and the paprika all up together in a bowl. We got these tater tots done and ready, so we're going to take a handful of those tater tots, hopefully with clean hands. Please use safe food stuff and things, whatever those words are. All right, y'all. Now we're going to add in the bacon, broccoli, jalapenos, and onions. Then we're going to add in this mixture. Look at that. Look at that. Look at all that goodness right there. All right, buddies, check this out. That is a breakfast trash pie, and it's done. That's it. Now we're going to throw it in the oven for like an hour, and then maybe it's going to be delicious. All right, buddies, it's been almost an hour. Can you believe it? The quiche is almost done. I wish you could smell the awesomeness that I can smell. As you can guess, I probably didn't read anything. I actually cleaned my bathroom and kitchen and whatnot. Is this what meth is like? Because if so, I think I might like some. How many times is too many times to clean your bathroom during a pandemic? I mean, when you've been eating and shitting the way I have, it's probably pretty good. Should probably poop a lot. Oh my God, it's done! Holy shit. First off, you missed it. I almost dropped it. Look at that delicious egg, cheese, and meat goodness. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Guys, I think I had too much coffee. All right, let's take a bite. Let's dig in. Let's see how this fucking tastes. All right, buddies. This bad girl has cooled off for about 10 minutes. About five minutes. Still piping hot. Look at all that. Can you see the steam? Can you see that steam? Oh, baby. It's so good. It smells great. Look at that. Can you see? Look at all those good vegetables, eggs, hash browns thrown up in there. This is going to be dynamite. Now let's taste the fruit of our labor. Why did I suddenly get so much quieter? You know? Came out pretty good. Wish I'd used a little bit more cheese. Oh, I wish I had waited for that to cool down. A little bit more cheese. I wish I had used. Maybe throw some hot sauce in the mix with it. But instead, like, I think I'm going to throw some hot sauce on top of it here in a minute. But overall, I had a whole lot of fun today. I'm going to get a whole lot of quiche. I'm going to clean this out some more because